Hi guys, I'm Julie Khuu and welcome to my channel. I'm an interior designer, a business owner, a style blogger, and an on-camera designer for film and TV.
She's a top interior designer. You can see her on the OWN Network's Homemade Simple.
Please welcome interior designer Julie Khuu.
How are you guys? I'm great.
I'm a certified interior designer with over 10 years of experience in the industry. I design everything from high-end custom luxury homes to commercial restaurants, nightclubs, bars. What sets me apart from other designers is that I have a background in psychology and social behavior. I'm able to extract key elements of your personality and style and help you translate it into the essence of your interior space. Interior design is all about telling your story, who you are, where you've been, and ultimately where you hope to go. I design high-end custom homes for a living, but not everyone can afford that luxury. This channel is about interior design tips, how-tos, home decor DIYs, and helpful home hacks that anyone can do. Inspiration can come from anywhere. Culture, lifestyle, travel, food, your friends. Just get out there and see what the world has to offer. My goal is to inspire change by empowering you to live your best life ever, by aligning your personal style with your interior style. What I hope to show you is how the power of interior design can change your life.